Ever wondered what is SEO? Well, SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of enhancing your website to increase its visibility on search engines. It's a crucial part of digital marketing, helping your site climb the ranks of Google and other search engines. SEO is about understanding how these search engines work and tailoring your website to meet their criteria. So to put it simply, SEO is your ticket to being seen online. To kickstart your SEO journey, understanding keywords is crucial. Think of keywords as the compass for your content, guiding it to the right audience. They're the words or phrases folks type into search engines when they're looking for something. Your mission? To identify those words and craft your content around them. This process is called keyword research. It ensures your content aligns with what people are actively searching for. Remember, selecting the right keywords is the first step to successful SEO. Once you have your keywords, it's time to focus on on-page SEO and content creation. On-page SEO is all about optimizing the actual content on your web pages. Here's where we dive into the nitty-gritty. We're talking about ensuring your content has proper title tags, meta descriptions, and header tags. These elements aren't just fancy tech jargon. They are the signposts that guide search engines to understand what your page is all about. But let's not forget about the content itself. High-quality content is the heart of SEO. It's not just about littering your page with keywords, it's about crafting content that provides true value to your audience. Whether you're answering questions, solving problems, or just providing a good laugh, consistency is key. Remember, search engines love fresh, relevant content, and so do your readers. Content is indeed king in SEO, and on-page optimization ensures your king is visible. But SEO isn't just about what happens on your website. Off-page SEO and mobile optimization are equally important. Now, off-page SEO involves all the activities outside your website that can impact your rankings. Imagine it as your website's reputation. Building quality backlinks is an essential part of this. These are links from other websites that lead back to yours. It's like a vote of confidence in your content. Engaging on social media is another facet of off-page SEO. It's not only about posting, but also interacting with your audience and building relationships. And don't forget about managing your online reputation. Monitor what's being said about your brand, respond to reviews, and handle any negative comments gracefully. Then, there's mobile optimization. In today's mobile-first world, your website needs to look and perform well on all screen sizes. If it doesn't, you risk losing a significant portion of your audience. Off-page SEO and mobile optimization ensure your website shines everywhere, not just on desktops. And there you have it, your beginner's guide to SEO success. To recap, remember to understand your audience, create valuable content, and optimize your site. These steps are key to climbing those search engine rankings. So, are you ready to climb those search engine rankings? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below.